Yeah, though.
Yeah, you can
Actually,
give your
I don't know the topic. Can you
the
tell me
topic.
about some?
I have just recently described that we have to talk about social media. So for what we
Hmm?
use, for what most of the people use, to stalk other people, right? For stalking or just to connect with different people. For what purpose we use social media? Most of the people for what purpose they use. So they can hack other people account. They can get an idea of more and more other people, or just to connect with people. What do you think, and for what purpose you use, and do you feel secure when you use social media, like not getting hacked by someone like that?
Okay, so to be honest, social media for me is as addicted as like drug, and I don't use social media nowadays because it create a lot of trouble in my mind. So I'm not excessive user. I use sometime rarely, and 2 years ago I uninstalled my Facebook. I'm not using at all, and
Yeah.
to be honest, I feel lot of trouble, tension if I use social media. I don't know why it happened with me or everybody. I don't know about the others, but it create a lot of trouble in my mind. So I'm not regular user. I use rarely, and by research, it proven that it is really addicted. So we should decide a limit that how much. I think we should decide a limit and we should use in a moderate way because it is really addictive and it if we chat with someone like on WhatsApp or Facebook, then it really disturb our dopamine or it our mind. So yeah, we should decide its limit. Yeah, over to you,
Yeah.
Zoo.
Okay.
Actually, now I
All
have
right.
not
Okay.
much idea. If I listen all of the
Mm-hmm.
panelists, then I will get idea that how to describe my thought. So later I will
Yeah.
explain.
Then you can add your point whenever you want. Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Nabil.
Yeah, so in this time you can say the social media, first thing is that we can't neglect social media. If we say that the social media is not good for you, so but we are not live without social media, it's my own opinion. And another thing that we just see all the things in a little bit of nuances or on their subtle way, because if you follow someone, suppose if you use Instagram, so Instagram is not good or bad. It depends on what type of stuff do you follow or do you subscribe. So it depends on it. Same if you talk about YouTube, so it depends on what kind of channel are you follow or you subscribe, so it based on it. So firstly you have to think that you should follow, you should subscribe that channels, that stuff which is helpful for you, for your studying, for your working, or if you are learning any kind of skill, so you can do. Suppose I use all kinds of social media, and I follow mostly for fitness relate or any language learning relate, and I have some friends due it is the only way through them I can contact with my some friends who is not from India. So it is the good way to connect
Mm-hmm.
contact with all that things. So you can't say that it is not a good thing, because suppose if you use Instagram and you don't follow any bad stuff, so how can you say that Instagram is not a good thing? You can follow good pages, you can subscribe good channels on YouTube, so it's completely up to you. So it is the way you can utilize it in a good way or a bad way. It's completely depends on you. It's completely depends on your thinking, your values, your morals, your ethical value. It's also depends on you. But another thing that what happens, because if you are teenagers or if you are not mature, so what we do, we just follow something like musical things or entertainment thing. We just watch some comedies, some anime, means cartoons stuff, so we watch a lot and a lot. It's the wrong stuff, because we are wasting or killing our time. It's not a good things. We always introspect ourselves, we always keep in my mind that it is my goal and I have to do according to my goal. Whatever I do, I just follow the steps. So it is the way. And if you use it in a right way, so you can see a good changes, you can see a significant change in your career as well as your life. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, Shiven. Now, what do you think about social media?
Yeah, well, so yeah, you're right, Nabil brother. Depend on your think and depend on your which type you're using, like social media, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, like more apps available for social medias, depend on time and depend on your think, so that's a it's a total different, like when you use any like Telegram and WhatsApp, anything. So you're using a limited time. Yeah, you are right, limited time. So that's a, it's a not for your future for bad. Okay. And I don't know which is better, because I'm not using more application. I'm using only Twitter and not Facebook, WhatsApp and Telegram. So only three apps I'm using in my device. So I'm not using more application for like. So I don't know which is better, and what is advantage and disadvantage using more application. But I can say some more application, that when you use right thing, like study and learning anything, right, for your study, and when you are preparing like SSC, UPSC, and you're classing like 12th, 11th, and like college. Okay, so it's a better for you. And when you use and and I mean, you use a right thing, right way. Okay, so it's a better for you. And social media, so it's a 21st century, so it's a right for you, and you can use totally, and so not use a wrong way, you can use right way. So it's a right, and it's a better for you, and it's according to me, it's a not wrong. Yeah. And yeah, so depend on your think, and so here different type people, so depend on things. And so according to me, it's a good, social media is good for learning, and some more activities, like anything, when you do any work or some experience,
Mhm.
so it's good, not bad. Yeah, anybody
Okay,
can
all
speak
right.
now.
Okay, Manisha.
Yes, sir. Sir, as
Yeah, now you
every
can.
sir, if we talk about social media, as everything has its own pros and cons, here also we can see
Mhm.
its pros and cons. Some people use it in a right way, and some people use it in a bad way. It all depends upon someone's thinking ability, thinking power, what she or he thinks. It all depends on their um, their their motto, what we want to
Mhm.
see, or how he or she want to use it. As I start with myself, i I- um I use I am using only Telegram. I am using only Telegram as for now, and sometimes YouTube also. But previously I have used Facebook also, Facebook and WhatsApp also, but I have installed it because it was so time consuming. But this is helpful. These platforms are helpful also. If some if some if someone is in trouble, then he can also contact there, and many problem solution are there. Some people use Facebook in a very good manner. They there are groups and pages people use in for learning things, and for helping everyone, and for helping every other persons.
Exactly. Yeah, good
Yes,
point
sir.
made by you.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
right.
Sir, 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 as I live in Haldwani, so I saw, sir, when I was using Facebook, there was page Haldwani online, Haldwani, the name Haldwani online, and and in that page, many people help each and everyone. There was blood group also. Some uses for needy ones, contact there, and the demand of blood is get it fulfilled there. So this
Yeah.
is the way, this is beneficial. And some people use it in bad way also. Some people tease girls, and many people use for leak bank account details and all
Mhm.
stuffs. uh, they can
Yeah.
use it in bad
Yeah,
way
you're
also.
right. Yeah, depend on your think which type you're using application like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. So depend on your think and your way, right way and wrong way. So it's a not problem. Yeah, you know all like some people are like time based, like overnight that chatting some girls and boys. So it's wrong according to me. But yeah, you're right. Not a bad any application, any like Facebook, anything. Not bad, but depend on your thing and limited. Yeah, you're
Yeah.
right.
Okay. All right. Okay, Miss Kavita, just unmute yourself and then you can speak. Firstly, introduce yourself and then you can keep your perspective.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Kavita. I belong to Haldwani, Uttarakhand, and I have done my graduation. Now I am
Okay.
preparing for a competitive exam. Uh,
This
All
the
right.
exam.
so as the topic that, as we all know that this time, like COVID-19, so
Mhm.
social media is playing a very important role, and uh, like it's totally depend on us that how we use social media. And some people use it for taking benefits, and others can misuse it. uh,
Mhm.
uh,
Okay. All right.
I'm feeling nervous actually. This is my first video call, so
Yeah, okay. No issue, but you have tried well. And whenever you want to speak more, you can speak. Okay, like we still have around 17 to 18 minutes. Okay, just give me an answer that which social media you use. I mean, which is according to you better.
uh, I used WhatsApp, Telegram,
Okay.
and Facebook, and I think YouTube is also coming social media.
Yeah,
Then they all are very beneficial for me. According to me, I am taking benefit from social media, but I also see that some people misuse it, and
exactly.
they yeah, misguide, and they, I think, like uh, sorry, but what to say,
Yeah,
uh,
Okay.
okay, no issue.
so I will
Yeah, yeah,
after.
all right. Yeah, whenever you will get the point, you can speak. Okay, Dhiren,
Yeah, bro.
Please, Dhiren,
Yeah,
you
as
are
you,
okay.
yeah, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, as we all know, almost every single thing has both of the aspect, and positive. First one is positive, and other is negative. So in the same way, it also has. I mean, social media also has, and our topic of today is, is social media being used to connect the people or stalk the people. So definitely it's all up to people, person to person, how we take, how we use. We want to leverage something from those applications, or we misuse. So it's all up to us. And we can take the simple example like we are connected to each other just with the help of social media. So here we are leveraging, we are deriving benefit. But there are some people who, uh, who use social media apps just in order to time pass, and they 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 do nothing but keep on watching some videos which are irrelevant. They don't watch even relevant things. So it's all up to us, and there are so many apps like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, which are also useful to some extent, and to some extent which are they are not useful. But it's all up to us if we are using it in a right way, then definitely we will learn something new from them. And if we are using it in a wrong manner, then definitely we are gonna waste our time and will not get anything. And as for I know, the purpose of initiating the social media is to disseminate the messages and information to every single person, so that we may get updated to the social media and whatever is happening around across the world, and that's how we can learn many things. So
Yeah,
that's all from my side,
exactly.
bro.
Yeah, all right. Okay, so ultimately the thing is it is totally depend person to person. But no doubt we can use it as a tool. We can utilize it, and as we know, so many people are using it for their own benefit. They are also making money and stuff. And I think this is a great thing that we have in 21st century. Just because now every single people, no matter they are girls or boys, they can raise their voice through social media.
Yes, sir.
If they have any problem, they can easily. I mean, if, even the media is not helping you, your defense system is not helping you. So definitely, at least you can raise your voice, and then all the other people, they will stand just behind you or just with you. We can see so many things, even in terms of competitive exam. We have seen there were so many hashtags going on Twitter, and also
Yes, sir.
this is the same thing in a case of if something is going wrong with any girl, or we have seen so many cases, right? So I think this is a great tool, but there are few people who use in a bad way, or they sometimes also they try to hack. So we can't do anything about that people, but we can make ourselves aware that we don't have to click all the time on different websites. They will give you great, they will tell you you have one like this, and as soon as you will fill your information, you are hacked, and they can do anything with your phone, with your profile, that no one wants, right? So I think we need to become more and more aware. That is how we can use it in a better way, and we can't do all the time anything about other people. So okay, Nabil, you can.
Yeah, actually, the topic you talk about, the people stalking on social media. So I think that it's not happen with the pupils. It depends on their thinking. Suppose if a guy who stalk someone, you know what I mean, in their
Hmm.
in their college, suppose, because you know that many guys there's always stalking some girls, and when they are in university in there. So it's not happens. It's in their thinking. So when they use social media, so they use social media in that terms. So it is the thing. If a guy who are not using social media, so what is the main? They are not stalking, this talking
They
in
are.
physical form. So that's the thing. So it's not the social media, but the harm part, worst part of social media is that it's a time consuming, it's the time killing thing. So we have to manage our time. We just stick that we have to use social media at least 1 to 2 hours. That's it. We don't have to consume our time a lot, and whatever your time is spent there, you have to try to learn something new, or you have to try to conversate some peoples and learn something new. So it's better. Otherwise, everything, that I think everything is good or bad. It depends on you. How can you utilize it? How can you use it? That's the easy answer you can say.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Nabil.